To make this super cool and not at all goofy costume for my Borderlands guitar video, I first had to collect all the pieces, including this hat that first had to pass inspection. Thankfully the supervisor was around. Although she's not interested in hand inspecting everything.
This one you don't care about?
And Penelope's just there to observe, not supervise. All the items were pretty easy to find, by the way. With the exception of the chucks, I found them all at a local Goodwill, including the Nerf prop, but before painting, Penelope wants to play. I started with the yellow hat because I thought it'd be the easiest to see where I'm drawing all my lines. So I pulled out my fabric marker that I've been saving for just this occasion, seeing what it could do in these cracks and crevices, but it ran out of juice pretty damn quick. So eventually I ended up switching to a Sharpie. Then finished off the logo with a brush and some paint. And there you have it. A fully cel shaded trucker costume. I had to go through every single wrinkle and edge, and I even outlined the shoes even though they never made it onto the screen. With some movie magic, I'll get dressed in an instant. Doesn't work for everyone though. Oh man. So after I got dressed the traditional way, I got to see the costume together for the first time. And it really came together. From the hat to the patches that I didn't have time to sew on, it all really came together. And I was starting to think that maybe now I could win Ellie over. But first I had to figure out how I would make myself look like I'm from inside the game, and also make myself look a little dirty. And why not use a Sharpie? It's not like it's permanent or anything. Jokes aside, this actually did start looking really good. Maybe now Scooter will let me take his sister out.
I'll let you know if I get any new jobs I need doing.
I was surprised that just a few lines could make all these items really look like they're from a video game. Just goes to show what you could do with markers or paint. And I couldn't have done it without my little helper. On some of the items you can't even really see the lines, or they didn't even make it on screen, but they helped me get in character so I could give an Oscar-worthy performance. From 3D, from video game, but even among the countless guitars, but even among the countless guns, there's not one gun guitar. There's not one gun guitar.